Oh, my darlings, look at this sunrise. Isn't that just beautiful? Wow. Hope you're all having a wonderful morning. I just had to capture this. It's gorgeous. So my hubby bought this huge bag. Well, it's not so huge anymore because I've used some out of it. But this is naan bread, and it's the garlic kind. Anyways, I'm going to be making some pizzas on these. So, and I'm going to cook them in the air fryer. So, I'll show you that. So, like I said, this is naan bread. It's an Indian bread. And like I said in the beginning, my husband bought this huge bag. Normally, I think you can get naan bread at the Dollarama. I'm not sure, but it only comes with a few. I usually get it to make the buttered chicken. And I do like this. This is good, but I like when you go to an Indian restaurant, you get the fresh naan bread. That is like chef's kiss. Anyways, then I realized, like, I started making these little pizzas out of them, and oh my gosh, so good. So let me know if you use naan bread at all, if you've used them for little pizzas. And like I said, I'm going to be making it in the fryer. So don't worry, I clean this stovetop every night. Anyways, I just wanted to show you. I just put a little bit of strained tomatoes. They're just little tomato sauce, and I've grated some cheese. Put the grated cheese down, and I'm going to put pepperoni and green olives and a little bit of some other cheese I'll show you. So here are the pizzas. We've got the old cheddar cheese, some pepperoni, some green olives that I chopped up, and the white cheese there that you see is this cheese here when you need to use it up. You can, when you do these kind of little pizzas, or even your own pizza, you can put whatever you want. You could do like a veggie pizza if that's what you like. This is what Rob and I like. I mean, if we had some peppers and stuff, we'd probably put it on. He likes onions. I do not. Probably put those on too. You know, you make it like however you want it. You can put bacon on there. Lots of different things. So now I'm going to put them in the fryer and show you. See, that fits nicely in there. We have the two baskets, so we're each going to do one. There's mine, and this will be hubby's. There you have it, my darlings. Here is our air-fried pizza, but I did it on bake on there. And this is it here. Oh, if you could just smell, it smells so wonderful. So that's hubby's, and this is mine. Oh, it smells so good in here. So that's what we're having for lunch. Good. Here's my coffee. I made that whipped cream heart with the hearts in it. I don't know if you can see the hearts, but they're smart. I'll have to show you how to do that. It's very, very easy. Oh my gosh!
Stop. Isn't that nice and warm you are, lovey?
Look at it. It's
Beautiful,
like a heart.
isn't it?
So my darlings, here's what we're having for dinner tonight. Yeah, I just love this stuff. Yeah, we're having it again. It's my favorite. It's not my hubby's, but it is mine. So my darlings, this was my first time. I made cream of broccoli soup. And this is my very first time, and here it is there. So I'm going to plate it up for you. And I just followed a little short on YouTube. And yeah, so easy to do. So I just wanted to show you what it looks like here. And it didn't take long to do it either. And sorry, I didn't film the process, but there you go. So I'm going to plate it up. So here it is, all plated up, or all bowled up, I guess. And garnished. Sorry I didn't film it. Like I said, this was my first time ever making this. And cream of broccoli cheese soup is like one of my favorite soups, and I can't believe how easy it was to make this. And there was a few things that other people used to make this that I didn't put in there, like onions and some other different spices and things. But still, to me, it still turned out well. And I don't really like to like measure and stuff, but like I said, 2 cups of, I think it was 2 cups of carrots, some broccoli chopped up. I used, you make kind of like a roux. I used some garlic butter and some actual butter, and then some flour and chicken broth, and then you like put you make a roux into that, and then some cream, and you let it cook. And then I also grated cheese. You put grated cheddar cheese in there. And it's it's pretty simple soup. Anyways, I'm so happy I tried this out, and I'm going to go and eat it. Good. So here is what we're having for dinner tonight, my darlings. I tried to make these homemade hamburgers, and this is what mine looks like here. Just has mustard, ketchup, a tiny bit of lettuce, and some mayo on there, and relish. I don't know if I said that. But anyways, this is what we're having for dinner tonight.
Yum, yum.
Yeah, well, I'll let you know if it's any good. So here's what we're having for dinner tonight, my darlings. I cooked up a little bit of ground beef. So that's the ground beef. I've got some brown gravy here. And here on this, I got some grated cheese. And then in the fryer, we got our French fries. These are the first time I've cooked frozen French fries, real French fries in the fryer. So I'll have to let you know how that goes. So we're going to be making like a kind of like a dupe to poutine without the actual cheese curd. So here it is, all plated up. And this is what we're having for dinner tonight, my darlings. Good. Very easy to do. Hope you're having a great night. So I just made a quick plate of nachos. I love doing this because you can put so many different things on it. So I have the organic tortilla chips here. I grated some old cheddar cheese, and then I put it in the microwave for a minute to melt. And then I chopped up some turkey meat, and you won't be able to see it, but there's turkey meat on there, and there's a little bit of shredded lettuce, red pepper I chopped up, and some sour cream and hot sauce, and yeah. So this is what I'm having for my lunch today. But you can put anything on your nachos, and I just love nachos. Good. So I just made this pasta salad macaroni. This is from Kraft, and hubby had gotten it from Dollar Tree. So I just made it. I put some chopped some carrots and red pepper in there, but obviously if you like celery or onion, you could put that in there as well. I'm just now going to cook up some, boil some eggs to put in here as well. But I'm going to get this into the fridge. And then I just used a little bit of mayo and some coleslaw dressing in there. And it comes with a spice packet. So this is what we're going to be having for dinner tonight. So my darlings, here it is with the eggs that I boiled up. And I just place them on the top like that. So I got these chips, the Trailer Park Boys. Yay, I turned into a cheeseburger. And they're called Dirty Burger. And I got this bag at Giant Tiger. And I don't know, there's the Trailer Park Boys there. Let me know if you've tried these. And they have other kinds too, but we just picked up this kind here, the Dirty Burger kind. And their faces are like potato heads. So cute. So here's what the chip looks like. The name Dirty Burger. To let you know how they taste. So my darlings, let's make some Pillsbury cookie dough cookies. So here are my Valentine's Day cookies. Obviously, it's a bit of a fail. You can't really tell that they're heart cookies. I used this cutter, but anyways, those are my cookies. Valentine's Day cookies. So my darlings, please feel free to take a cookie if you'd like. Like I said, they're supposed to be made into hearts, and then I've got 3 more here on the sheet. I don't know if you guys can see. Sun is like... Anyways. There they are.